Rinnai Tankless water heaters are efficient appliances, but understanding how to reset them is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. The first important fact to understand is that Rinnai Tankless water heaters do not have a dedicated reset button like many other appliances. Resetting your tankless water heater is essential for several reasons: resolving operational glitches, clearing error codes, recovering from power outages, and optimizing overall performance. There are four main reset methods available for Rinnai tankless water heaters. Each method serves different purposes depending on the specific issue you're experiencing. The choice of reset method depends on the specific issue you're experiencing. Simple glitches may only require power cycling, while persistent error codes might need a hard reset using the A and B buttons. Understanding these reset fundamentals prepares you to effectively troubleshoot your Rinnai tankless water heater and maintain consistent hot water performance in your home. There are several methods to reset your Rinnai tankless water heater, depending on your model and the type of reset needed. For interior models, the simplest reset method is power cycling. Unplug the unit from the electrical outlet, wait 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back in. For exterior models, locate the on-off switch on the unit. Turn it off, wait 10 to 15 seconds, then switch it back on. You can also reset by turning off the circuit breaker that supplies power to the water heater. Wait 20 to 30 seconds, then turn the breaker back on. Some models can be reset using the controller. Press the on-off button 5 times in a row within 5 seconds. The unit will reset and any error messages should disappear. For a complete factory reset, first turn off all power to the unit. Remove the front panel to access the PC board. Press and hold both A and B buttons simultaneously until P is displayed, then press again until PCL appears. This resets all settings to factory defaults. For Control R models, first turn off the cold water supply and close hot water faucets. Press and hold the Connect button until the LED light changes from red to white. The heater will beep 3 times to confirm the reset is complete. Always refer to your specific unit's manual for detailed instructions and safety precautions. Different models may have slight variations in their reset procedures.